So we raised this matter with him and the Minister of Finance. They looked at the matter. In our appeal, we are appealing for a supplementary for government to give us more money so that we can pay these students. When it came to the ministry, they said it's too late to process an appeal and a supplementary because the financial year is coming to an end. But we had some money which had not been released on our budget, totaling 1.34 billion. So the PS agreed to release that 1.34 billion to us to be able to pay government-sponsored students. And he made it clear that this money is released to you to pay government-sponsored students. So we got that letter yesterday. We shared it with the students. And what is happening now, we are processing that money. It takes a bit of time because you have to apply for environment, because when the budget is released, it is itemized according to budget items. So you must ask for permission to aggregate that money as one and then pay it out as a lump sum to government-sponsored students.
Majorly, part-time lecturers. And these part-time lecturers are never paid on time. When they release the money for this last quarter, this financial year 2022-2023, the BASA clearly informed us that the money they received is wage to pay for lecturers in April, May, June. However, interactions with the different lecturers clearly give us information that there are lecturers who are demanding their salaries since September last year, and you're telling us you're paying April, May, and June. So this clearly shows that there is no clear path and direction and mode of operation in Kyambogo University. One thing I can say is that there is no way a demotivated lecturer will come to teach us, and we understand as students of Kyambogo University. Actually, 2 weeks back, I was approached by a technician from civil department. Actually, the gentleman came running. I thought he was a student. I told him to first wait, I finished the issues I was doing. Fortunately, I finished them. When I came back to him, and he addressed himself and introduced himself as a technician in the civil department and told me he comes from Gayaza, but he doesn't even have transport to take him back for that day. He has not been paid since September last year. When we address these issues, they are never responded to. Our request is these staff members should be paid. They should be paid so that we can be lectured by motivated lecturers. As we speak in engineering, basically, we are supposed to do practicals. But they are the technicians who teach us these practicals.